song we were obsessed with in Goa? We were singing Jadoo Mantar.
Oh, yeah.
Ha Mantar.
Wait, what was the start?
OG.
तुझा nose ring, earring, eyelashes bling bling, lipstick ting ting,
Emma jigar, hai jaane jigar, hai chamak chalo mein तुझा king 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 king.
Action.
Hi, I'm Ria,
And I'm Kanchi.
and you are officially part of the Slumber Party squad.
So welcome back to the Spoke to Soon pod.
और लोकी को कहते हैं इंग्लिश में bottle god. Let's go.
Very good.
This is the first time we have a dude on set and he's acting like a dude.
Yeah,
Come
like
on.
a boy at a sleepover. And you're the first one, so you should be lucky.
समझ रहे हो?
The hell, no.
Just three
What's
friends.
up?
Just 3 best friends.
Besties.
On set.
Sal and I are friends, Kanchi and I are friends.
Yeah, and Sarana.
What's
Chandra,
up?
what's up? You're telling me
Why
what's
are you
happening?
asking us? Hello. We have to ask you.
Okay.
So
what's up?
how you rhymed this thing? Like, are you like, do you rap? Do you know how to do this or what?
So I don't know how to rap, but I did this rap show called MTV Hustle. I was not a contestant in the show,
Even I'm
but
here.
so I was not a contestant in the show, but I was the insider for the whole 10 episode thing where I had to learn how to rap, and by the 10th episode I actually rapped in the show. It's on YouTube and on my Instagram page. You all can go and check it out. But yeah,
We have seen you like especially everywhere during the IPL season. Mumbai Indians this, Mumbai Indians that. You're watching all the matches in the stadium. What is up?
bro. So you know,
It's
we
sick.
both are like big Mumbai
Big
Indians
Mumbai
fan.
fans.
And touch wood that this season I legit saw all the matches that happened in the Wankhede.
Literally all.
Bro, it's an experience, especially the creators lounge.
And I went for one, and trust me,
The
you
creator
have
lounge
to
is
be
crazy.
there.
It's too good. The view that we have, it's the best view. The players are right here. Plus, there's free food.
And the seats are really big and there's fans and
Yeah, there's not fans, coolers.
coolers. Sorry, coolers. I went for one match in the beginning. I had some collab
Yeah,
and I went.
and
I
we met
told-
also.
Yeah, we met outside and I told Sahil ki I'm really excited, blah blah blah. And then after that, Sahil said, "Come for one match." And I was like, "Listen, I can't go again. The seats were so small. I'm such a tiny girl. Still, I was not fitting on the seat. So hot, no fans, nothing. I was like, I'd rather watch from home." Sahil was like, "मुझे पता भी नहीं है. ऐसा तो है ही नहीं creator lounge में." I was like, "Okay, sir."
No,
Sorry.
but watching a match in the stadium is a vibe, especially when you're with 4 or 5 of your friends and y'all
Yeah.
are like crazy fans of that team and you're just shouting, y'all are screaming the name of the player and your team is winning. Best thing. Also, जितने भी matches मैंने देखे मुंबई इंडियंस के except one,
They won.
we won all.
Yeah.
खाली semi-finals वाले अगर जीत जाते तो
No, but how do you feel
Yeah.
being the insider, like knowing all
Whoa.
the Mumbai Indians stuff, like getting access to all of it, making reels for them, like how is that part?
So, it's fun, but it's also a little pressure because when you're watching the match, you have to constantly be like, अब क्या shoot करूँ, अब क्या shoot करूँ. So you can't enjoy the match like completely,
Like-
but you have to also think about अब क्या content निकलेगा, अब क्या content. Oh, maybe एक 6 पड़ा. Oh, I think I need to give a.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
So because everyone around you is on their phones and like they're constantly doing things के hey guys let's go, तो back of the mind you have that thing के मेरे को भी कुछ ना कुछ तो shoot करना है. So
Yeah.
it's fun, but after
Lot of
2-3
pressure.
match it's like के थोड़ा pressure तो है. So you have to think about के आज मुझे shoot करना है और if I want to just enjoy the match.
And
Yeah, that's true.
if the team loses, then what do you do?
Like what do you post when?
Yeah.
Nothing. You post about oh we have more matches to go. Like
That would
we
be tough.
anyway
Yeah.
are Mumbai Indians fans,
Fans,
so
yeah.
no matter what we support
Yes.
them.
Yeah, true.
So
But it's
that's
harder
it.
to post. Like I feel like mostly, I will post on Snap and all, be like, "Oh my God, sad day," feel like crying and all. But if I have to post a whole reel on Instagram, and at the end
Yeah.
of the reel my team has lost, I would be sad, bro.
And
I
for the
know
full season.
for the full season, it's too tough. And last year ka season, I think you went even then. You went last year also,
Yeah,
na?
last year I went for 2 matches only, but yeah.
And last year they played quite badly.
Last year was a bad season overall.
bad
Yeah,
year
the
for
Hardik
us.
Pandya controversy
Yeah.
and everything.
Rohit and Hardik not being besties.
I don't
Your
care,
favorite
bro.
Mumbai Indians player?
I have three.
Okay, top 3.
Hardik, Rohit and Bumrah.
Fair. Agree.
And when Hardik became the captain, I was clearly saying it, I don't mind. Because I like Hardik.
Even I don't mind that he became captain. I just didn't like the way it happened.
Yeah.
That's not in our hands. Management
Yeah,
का है,
management,
तो मैं तो वैसे भी
everything.
कुछ नहीं बोल सकता. I
Sahil
love
will
Mumbai
not.
Indians.
He loves Mumbai Indians. But even I love.
We all love.
Yeah.
We all love. Yeah.
They are the biggest.
Of course, they have
IPL.
5 IPL trophies. This
Yeah.
year also they came in the
Semi-finals.
semi-finals. हंसते खेलते back to back 6
Must,
matches
yeah.
they won.
Yeah.
Surya Kumar Yadav playing the supla shots anywhere. And
Can you tell Mumbai Indians is playing Sahil?
But right now.
No,
he's
but
singing
so
out
I'll
loud.
tell you all.
From love.
So I'll tell you all, before I got signed with Mumbai Indians or like before I became a Mumbai Indians ka creator, I was a Mumbai Indians fan.
Yeah, of course.
Like since I was a kid, I've been only supporting MI. And
Yeah.
touchwood 5 trophy है हमारे पास, तो इतने memes we don't have to go through those memes.
Yeah.
So yeah, good for RCB, जीत गए final.
And just
They
like.
deserved it.
ठीक है,
They played
we
well
let
also.
kids win now. Next year वापस देखते हैं.
Oh my god. Okay, just like MI, there's also Mumbai City FC.
Bro.
And now you're also with them. So how is it like being with a cricket team and a football team?
So I have
both
a
at the same
very
time?
very
It's
crazy
a
story.
city,
Like literally every Mumbai
Yeah,
team.
so I have a very crazy story for Mumbai City FC. So it was my first match and they called me कि साहिल first match है MCFC का, तो तू arena पे आजा और match देखते हैं. तो just like Mumbai Indians, I was like के stadium में बुलाएंगे, match देखना है और match देख के घर चले जाना है. So we went and bro, trust me, ISL is a vibe.
What
The
is ISL?
You can tell people like.
Indian Super League.
Yeah.
It's अपना IPL for football.
Oh.
Yeah, so Mumbai City FC is a football team and it has won twice also. This season was hard luck, थोड़ा खराब था. So I went for the first match and मेरे को मेरा MCFC का POC आके बोलता है that if we win, meet me main gate के पास. So I was like ठीक है. तो 89th minute पे we were like 4-1.
Damn.
And that was my first game. And I was like crazy, भाई का team खेल रहा है, बहुत मजा आ गया. So I called him and he's like, भाई तू gate पे आ जा. I went near the gate where all the players come from and all. I was standing over there and he's like के बस रुक इधर. जैसे ही 90th minute हो like as soon as हाँ 90th minute happens, we'll stay here. तो 90th minute हुआ and they opened the gate to enter inside the stadium, like in the ground. तो I was like मुझे क्या ग्राउंड के अंदर जाने मिलेगा? तो he's like हाँ जाना. Like ठीक है. So 90th minute हुआ. I went inside the ground. And so you know there's this patch where all the players stand and there's a
Yeah,
ground.
yes.
So I was like patch पे खड़ा होना. Like I can't go inside the ground. तो I was standing over there and I was clicking my pictures कि भाई ground के अंदर आ गया अब तो crazy scene and all. उसके बाद I'm clicking pics and all. That guy's like इधर क्यों ले रहा है? अंदर जाके लेना. I'm like wait what? So then I was like, I went in, I took pictures. उतने में all the players came. I'm just randomly, and that match was a sold out match. So 6,000. It's not a big stadium. 6,000 लोगों का था. So I went in and everybody's like just cheering and all, and I am in the middle of the ground and I can see everyone around me. Best feeling. And after that, Mumbai City had some special match, so they were going to take that round of the stadium. So my POC came and he told me कि तू भी जाके round लेना इन लोग के साथ. तो that also I did. So
Crazy.
best
Crazy
experience.
access.
Like I got to meet the players. I got to experience how it feels to be inside a ground
Yeah.
with all the
With the full
players
stadium.
and with the full like just crazy experience.
Honestly,
overall,
insane.
yeah.
Did you meet Ranbir Kapoor?
I have met him twice though, but not during.
Stop
Oh, so yeah. By
flexing.
the way, Ranbir Kapoor is also a part owner of MCFC.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Have you seen that viral video of Raha playing on the
And
ground?
the three of them.
I
were, like,
have a
matching
very,
girls.
very, very funny story.
About Ranbir Kapoor.
That match,
Huh.
they called me.
Huh.
So they didn't tell me कि Ranbir Kapoor, Alia Bhatt and they are coming because I just went for a match. I was like अभी नहीं आना है, बाद में आऊँगा. And that very match, Ranbir Kapoor came, Alia Bhatt came, and the Chotu Raha Kapoor also came.
And you could have been on the ground with them.
Yeah.
And you didn't go.
I am mad about this.
I
You
told
could've
her.
taken her.
Yeah.
I told her that they called me for this match, and in the morning also I spoke to her कि यार they are calling me for another match, bore हो रहा है, अब भी जाके आया, and plus I had to travel all the way to Andheri, तो बोले अरे नहीं यार अभी नहीं जाना है and all, तो
So he's come to Andheri
Yeah,
for
for
us.
the
So thank God.
podcast. Thank you. Yeah.
but it's
Thank
okay, I've
you,
met
sir.
Ranveer twice, so
Threw him out. Flexing on
What
the
is
pod.
this?
Yeah. Where you met Ranveer? Oh yeah, once we met Ranveer at that Shamshera ka. No, we didn't.
Yeah, we were there.
Shamshera
And
Shamshera
one
the screening.
Brahmastra.
and one Brahmastra ka Deva
Deva
Yeah,
Deva.
yeah, yeah.
song
Alia
screening.
Bhatt was also there.
There I wasn't there.
and Alia Bhatt was pregnant.
And that was
Oh,
the,
yeah.
that was the time I saw Alia Bhatt like at a this much distance, like the cameraman is Alia Bhatt and I am me here. But when we had to take pictures with them, like
Alia
Ranveer
went
and
away.
Alia was pregnant, so she went away. And it was just Ranveer. But I got a picture with Ranveer, but no, I want a picture with Alia Bhatt.
I have a really funny story. When we went to Bali, you remember our driver in Bali, Oki?
I don't think you remember.
Okay, so we went to Bali and we had this very, very cute driver, okay? And they are very obsessed with like Bollywood in that part of the
Yeah,
world, right?
yeah.
Cute
So
driver.
we went and Kanchi was sitting like in front, whatever, and we were just talking to Oki. The driver was very sweet, very cute, very helpful, and he like really helped us and took
Yeah.
care of us, okay? And he was talking about how much he loves Bollywood and he was naming some Bollywood songs and he was playing some Bollywood music. And Kanchi wanted to know if he knew Alia Bhatt,
Yeah.
right? And she just whips her phone out and she shows Oki a picture of her and Ranveer Kapoor. And the driver goes, husband, you got picture with husband. And I'm like, this is so funny.
Damn.
And Kanchi's like on cloud 9, like, yeah, I have a picture with Ranveer Kapoor. I just relax. I'm here, you're like there.
Yeah, but
It was
that,
so
that
funny.
moment was insane. Like
Yeah, but he's very humble. Ranveer Kapoor is very humble.
talking
He,
as if he's your bestie.
I mean, he is 2 बार मिल चुका हूँ and he praised my phone cover at that time. I remember the
What was your
conversation.
phone cover?
That
The camera
puffy
वाला?
puffy वाला
Oh,
blue
yeah,
color
yeah,
का
yeah.
puffy phone cover. तो I gave him my phone and he's like, hey मस्त है यार. तब मैं यार thanks.
I remember the conversation I had with
Yeah,
him.
because you took the video.
No,
From
I
your
remember
phone.
my conversation, not yours.
Oh, अच्छा.
Yeah, so I told him that before telling him that like you're
I
great or
remember
something, I told him I really love your wife.
Yeah.
Like I'm obsessed with her, and my name is Kanchi, and your wife's best
Best
friend's
friend's
name
name
is
is
also Kanchi. And he said that's so cute. And now Raha and me share a birthday, so something's there. It's all connected.
This was also so funny. Remember
Yeah.
on your birthday, we were somewhere else and you were like, oh my god, has Alia already given birth? What is happening? I'm like, sister, your birthday, like, relax.
And she had.
She had given birth, yeah.
I knew she would give birth on my birthday.
Good for you.
Please, Alia, but if you're watching this, meet me.
Yeah, because Alia is definitely watching this.
Yeah.
Meet me, she has said. Isn't it so cool that you like so many sports and you
Mhm.
actually have access to it?
Yeah.
Like for a person that loves football, loves cricket, you play football, you play cricket, you go play pickle, paddle, whatever, you play everything. I think every sport there is to play.
yeah.
So then, isn't it so cool that you have so much access to some of the like world's best, India's best franchises? Isn't it crazy to you?
Yeah, it's damn nice, very cool. I get to make content with them also.
Yeah.
And yeah, I get to talk about it at a very that thing. अरे मैं तो
Like
मुंबई
very
इंडियंस के
chill
साथ
way.
हूँ. अरे मैं तो MC. But yeah, it's a
Nonchalant.
very cool thing. But I've worked hard for that, so
Yeah, true.
Very
It's
good.
very cool.
Yeah, talking about your content journey, like we see you like on the roads making videos with people,
रास्ते पे जाके videos बनाता है.
pranking people and doing vox pop and all. Do you have any like story where it's been like really weird or like really funny or really embarrassing?
So
Bichara, he's soda sick. He's to
Yeah.
come on set. So
I made a video where I had to go and dance in front of Mannat
I don't remember.
I
on
know.
any 2 Shah Rukh Khan songs.
Yeah.
So usually Mannat पे crowd होता है, but I don't know what this day was. Extreme crowd था, and it was a brand video. So I had to only shoot. मतलब I didn't have any option कि अरे छोड़ बहुत crowd है, डर लग रहा है, नहीं करना है. I went outside Mannat. मैंने speaker लिया and I had to dance on lungi dance.
Oh god.
I put the speaker down and my videographer is somewhere here and he's like, Sahil bhai. मैं बोले अरे रुक जा भाई मेरे को तैयार तो होने दे. So he just played the song and मेरे पीछे there are 10-15 लोग. मेरे आगे there are more than 50 people who are cheering for me.
Oh God.
And I'm dancing on that song. And
This is too scary.
after that, I had to dance on another song because the challenge was that I have to dance on 2 Shah Rukh Khan songs.
What was the second song?
One was Lungi Dance and second was
It was some DDLJ song or something.
no. I don't remember the second song, but there were two songs that I danced on. So yeah, and second time also when I came in, people are legit chillifying like mad. Ooh, करके लोग चिल्ला रहे and I was just like अभी तो मजा आ रहा है. And that video also did well. उसका अगर comment section जाके देखोगे तो लोग बोल रहे हैं कि social anxiety is scared of it.
Yeah,
For real, because
Bro eats 10 introverts for breakfast.
for real, like how do you go on the road, give the mic to a random person and like
and just talk to
See,
them. And actually
very
get
simple
it.
talk
theory.
to them, prank them.
Yeah, it's crazy.
Very simple theory. They don't know me, I don't know them. I
But-
don't have to make relations with them.
But now they have a
Very simple.
perception of you as
It's
the
okay.
prankster boy.
It's okay. जो घर पे खाना दे, like,
Oh, like
You know,
yeah.
like
Okay,
what?
fine.
हाँ,
Whatever runs your house.
Yeah.
yep.
Yeah, fair.
Nice.
That's
Yeah.
crazy. Yeah, but very confident to be able to.
When am I seeing both of you are doing pranks?
Outside.
I have done with Aryan.
Yeah,
I
Yeah.
have done 3 videos with Aryan where
fake proposal prank.
yes, where like Aryan was proposing to me and I have to like say no, walk off, and the person is taking the video, like the public is taking the video of it. Very scary.
Very
thing.
fun. It was
the
my
most
idea.
scary
No, it was
thing I've
Aryan's
ever
idea
done.
only.
Very scary.
No, but I remember.
But you did
took
it thrice.
permission
I
from
did it
you.
thrice.
He
Yeah.
asked you ना कि मैं कांची के साथ करूँ क्या?
Yeah,
He
Aryan.
didn't ask me, but ठीक है. Aryan,
Aryan. When
Speaking of
याद
Aryan,
रखूंगा.
अरे यार. Speaking of Aryan, y'all have a group together, right?
Yes,
Called
sir.
Ganna Gang.
Yes, sir.
what is Ganna Gang and why is it Ganna Gang?
So I'll tell you. Ganna
Why is
Gang,
it Ganna Gang?
Name.
when we, so it is Ganna Gang because when we met for the first time we had Ganna juice.
Is that actually?
Yeah.
Okay.
So we randomly named it Ganna Gang. And there was also
Orange Juice Gang also.
Yeah, and there was also a group called as Orange Juice Gang. तो हमने
So-
ऐसे competition
So
जाओ.
they thought you copied them.
No, we just wanted to keep some competition high, no? ऐसा Orange Juice Gang,
No.
Ganna Juice Gang.
No thought into it. Like
No thought
literally
into
no
it.
thought.
And yeah, so we all of us were at 4,000 followers, 5,000 followers, and we all once met and we all clicked. Like our ideas were like very similar. All of us were like very मस्तीखोर, like next level.
That they are, yeah.
So we all were like एक काम करते हैं, एक random prank video बनाते हैं. We made that. First video that we made, it went viral, like
What
10,
was that?
10 million views. Clicking pictures with random people.
I remember.
Oh, where
this
you just
video.
go and post
That was
on
the first
side.
video we made 3 years ago. उसके बाद बहुत लोग बनाते हैं अभी, ठीक है.
भाई,
Trendsetter.
So yeah, that's when we started, and so at that time what we used to do was same video के दो edits बनते and collab में we used to post because that time
Only
4-way
Oh,
collab
collab
was not there.
So
Yeah.
2 would do and
हाँ,
2 would do.
तो उसमें what was happening, किसी एक का ही वीडियो चल जाता था because it's
already done.
yeah.
Random, yeah.
So we all thought कि मैं सब लोग like same effort डाल रहे हैं, let's make a page and we'll put. We didn't want to make a page. हमने खाली page इसी reason से बनाया कि so that whatever videos that we are making together, we can post it on that page. We started off as Masti only. It became like everybody loved it. We were at 8-10K followers when we did a meetup.
Yeah.
And more
Marine
than
Drive.
more than
I remember
300
this.
people came for that meetup when we all were at what 8K 7K followers.
Crazy.
So yeah, and since then we all are just
And since you all started this, many people make videos at Marine
Yeah.
Drive. Like now.
Now you all have stopped going to Marine
yeah, we don't
Drive.
make videos at Marine Drive. So I'll tell you, when we used to make videos at Marine Drive, there was good crowd. Now when people make videos at Marine Drive, there's not good crowd.
Sahil is saying this. We are not saying this.
Yeah.
He's only a guest on our pod, and Spoke to Soon is not of anything.
No, I don't mind saying it. नहीं है अभी अच्छा shot Marine Drive पे. भाई sunset के time पे
Yeah.
Marine Drive was filled.
Bro, and I have to pass Marine Drive wherever I go. If I'm
Yeah.
going anywhere, I have to pass Marine
Bro,
Drive.
there was no space to
There's
walk.
janta, bro.
Everybody's phone was as up there.
Yeah. You know that 1 week before the rain started where
The
the
sunset
sunset
was
was
every day.
crazy. It was purple and blue and pink, and Marine Drive was
No,
like
I
a
went
mela.
there to shoot a vox pop. And I was just asking people कि आप कहाँ
Sunset
से
पे
आए हो
आए।
और आप क्या करना है हो. वो लोग इतना दूर से आए थे सिर्फ सनसेट का फोटो लेने. One person came from धुले. That's 400 kilometers दूर. I don't know वो थोड़ा तुम लोग देख रहे ना कितना किलोमीटर दूर है, but भाई धुले से राजस्थान से
To see the sunset.
I swear मेरे
Someone
वीडियो
said
में
it in
देख
the
लो.
video.
Yeah, someone
I
said it
saw
in the
this
video.
Yeah. It's crazy, bro, but the sunset is also crazy. Like, it's
Yeah,
worth
yeah.
it. But, like, we are Mumbaikars, so we see it all the time,
Yeah.
but people don't get to see it. And people also from Rajasthan, not where will they see the ocean like this? bro?
That's
Like, think about it.
राजस्थान में
Oh my
पानी की
God.
कमी के कारण
How where will they see it?
Facts.
Lots of real cuts are coming.
Sahil is a real cut. Okay.
What is that song we were obsessed with in Goa? Do you sing? Jadoo Mantar.
Oh yeah.
Ha Mantar.
Wait, want to start?
OG.
तुझा nose ring, ear ring, eyelashes blink blink, lipstick ting ting, एमा जिगर, ए जाने जिगर, ए चमक चलो में तुझा king 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 king.
I don't
बस
know
करो
if
भाई.
we are going to cut this or keep this, but enjoy it.
That you know now when you're sitting here, that is your camera, Deepak wala camera.
I've been
Not the
looking at...
center camera.
Oh shit. Sorry.
First time Kanchi sitting in the center, so it's a new experience for her.
Only time.
Only
What do you guys
time.
think about my t-shirt?
What
It is true because
I
in
am-
person,
A
Oh,
very interesting
acha.
person on dive. It is true. Offline
Okay.
also.
What about your
Offline,
t-shirt?
what do you
Why
think
have
about-
you like?
I love.
Why are you
matcha.
lying on your t-shirt? Can you
I
tell
am
people
not
that
You
it's
know,
lying.
guys,
all
in person.
a fake thing
Shut-
about you and Matcha? Can you just tell
What
that you
the
are just
hell
doing
is
it?
He's picking a fight.
No, but it's true because in person she only drinks coffee. She never drinks matcha.
Stop.
Don't
Riya,
lie.
why are
You
you?
don't even drink coffee. She drinks Oreo milkshake half the time.
Not even Nutella milkshake
Yeah.
and all. She always has.
Like, why are you just doing it to look cool and all?
Because
like, why?
it's a thing on the internet
Sahil,
right now.
Genuinely stop it. The edit is in my hand. I can cut whatever I want.
And it's also in my hand, so I can say don't cut.
No, but tell everyone the truth. No.
Are you mad?
Why
you
you don't like
this if
matcha?
you
Why
don't
are you
like matcha?
lying?
Look cool.
Stop it. Say sorry to the.
It's cut. It's cut.
What is cut?
The thing is cut now.
It's not cut. Say sorry right away. All of this is false.
All of this is true.
Don't do that.
No, jokes apart.
Jokes.
Kanji
She
really
loves
likes Oreo
matcha.
milkshake.
bhai. Arey yaar.
No, she likes matcha. She's a cow.
She's a
and,
cow.
I don't mind being a cow. Yeah.
She loves
because
matcha.
गाय
We're
हमारी
messing with
माता
her.
है.
Stop.
मुझे कुछ नहीं आता है.
यार, how to be serious in this episode?
Guys, Kanchi actually does really love matcha. We are just messing with her. It's okay, you are not doing it for the
इतना
10.
matcha पसंद है कि भाई full day matcha पीती रहती है.
Bhai,
तो-
seriously, she's always.
And now even like I'm trying to make them into matcha people.
And today in the morning, she ordered matcha from somewhere and she opened it and she saw the color. Huh? It was light green matcha, okay? And she's opened the thing and she's not the
Light green
matcha.
color is kesar pista.
It's not kesar is
Kidding.
red color.
Oh,
Yellow. Kesar
Wow.
is red. When you mix it in something, it's yellow. Saffronish.
Acha.
Orange.
Oh my god, remember we had saffron coffee in
Saffron matcha.
Dubai?
So good. So
When did you have saffron?
Dubai.
In Dubai.
In Dubai?
Yeah.
Oh, in the same place?
Yeah, yeah.
The place where you get the Alia Bhatt cake.
Leto.
Leto.
The milk cake. Alia Bhatt viral
Hmm.
cake.
Yeah.
And now you get it over here in Magnolia.
Yeah.
So go have it. I'm
अच्छा.
not. This is not.
अच्छा.
Collab.
Yeah.
और कुछ?
Don't look at us like that. You're looking at
No, looking
Sai.
at us,
You
looking at
you
you.
look at him and you start laughing. How do you be
Yeah, I
serious
can't,
in this
bro.
episode?
I'm trying so hard to be like,
Hmm.
but it's not happening.
It's not happening.
Yeah.
That's the vibe.
Listen, remember in Dubai, I don't know what we were doing, but we were filming something and all of us had deliverables for
Yeah.
the
Whatever place
for
we
whatever
were-
place
yeah.
we were staying at. And Kanchi and Sailab had a huge fight randomly because yeah. So only one room had come. The
Oh.
second room wasn't ready because we reached early.
हाँ.
Only one room had come, and Sal was supposed to shoot for us. And between he was saying something, he was like, Kanchi, like, what do you think of this idea? And Kanchi was like, right now, Riya and I are shooting. And she just freaked. Do you remember this?
Don't you remember the fight?
And she sat on the floor and started crying.
See,
What?
Kanchi crying is not something new. Like, if you want her to cry right now, 100 comments and we post a reel of her crying.
Today in the morning also she cried when...
Shona, ऐसा cry ना
I'm
मन
not
से सा.
showing that. अरे यार stop it. I'll genuinely cry.
But
Why?
if you can cry, Shona.
And why will you cry? Don't
Because
cry.
he's forcing me to.
Today in the morning also she cried.
रोज का है. But wait, in the morning,
No.
Why did you get mad at me?
I will give a whole explanation of what happened.
I'll be
Acha.
here on my
The
phone.
timing to reach at the where are we set is 11 a.m. and we told Sahil 11 a.m. yesterday, and then we told him we take a lot of time to get ready, so if you don't want to waste time, come at 11:30. We thought he's going to follow that timing, but no, he decided to leave at like 10:40, and it's
And
so
what
far
time was
from
I
his
supposed
house.
to leave? What time did we say?
You
Say?
were supposed to leave at 10:30, but if you leave at 10:40, you book the cab and all the whole process
In
takes 10 minutes.
Mumbai,
No way.
leaving at 10:40 is called leaving on time.
This is
That's
a
a thing.
podcast shoot, and if you come late, the whole day goes late, and you are not like
Wait. I came here at 11:40. Still, I was waiting for 20 minutes for these two. Whose fault is it now? Tell
Not
me.
true. Not 20 minutes. She checked your location.
Paloma, batao.
20 minutes. This is what happens to me.
and I don't like being late anywhere. And now you this is our shoot, so you are taking us lightly because it's us. So you can come late, but no, you cannot come late.
Guys, if
And the
you
team
have to
will think-
reach somewhere at 11:30, and if you reach that place at 11:40, it's called on time. If you reach that place at 12, it's also called on time. But if you reach that place at 1, it's called thoda late. That's Mumbai. And if you reach at 11:20, it's called ये बहुत free है life में.
I don't. That's called being punctual. That's called being that's called having discipline.
In Mumbai, that's called इसके पास बहुत free time है, इसलिए ये हर जगह जल्दी आता है.
आता है. I am आता है.
अरे आती है.
Riya is not taking any side because she is also a late girly. So who is she gonna
भाई
support?
इतना I have waited for Riya. Oh ho ho.
This is a
Oh ho ho.
Me and Sahil have waited hours for Riya.
1 second. Kanchi has fought with me so many times for being 5 minutes late. Like,
Bro, Kanchi has a problem.
and she sits ready, like she in her old house, she used to get ready and just she used to like send a video of her sitting on her couch. Ki, I am ready. Where are you? And I'm like, bro,
And
I am.
if Kanchi is full-fledged तैयार, it means you have to
You
leave in
have
a
to
minute.
be ready. Yes. Yeah.
अरे
yeah.
मैं नहीं हूँ तैयार भाई, मुझे 5 मिनट और लगेगा.
अरे but
कॉल
if
पे कॉल मत कर.
And also, Sahil and I are always picking you up. So
Yeah.
she's always ready.
That's why
before us.
sometimes I say just don't pick me up. Let me go on my own. I don't want the stress of waiting and all. Like people who are punctual, I hope you all relate. Like it's really a
In
serious
Mumbai,
thing.
nobody is punctual.
Except Kanchi.
Except
Kanchi is very punctual.
शाबाश. गोली बेटा.
Bro, you know Vanshi.
Goli peta, tarak.
Once she came on set in the morning, I wasn't there, Paloma wasn't there, Karthik wasn't there, no one was there. For 10 minutes, Kanchi was walking around and calling everyone. And she's like, bro, where is everyone? Where is everyone? I am here, where are you? Kashish, Thea, no one was there.
What fun do you have? Like ऐसा क्या मजा
It
आता है
leaves a
जल्दी
good
पहुंच के?
it leaves a good impression. Now if you come late,
Leaves a good impression to who?
No one is there.
कोई आया ही नहीं है.
the people, like see, these people will think that I told you to come late.
अच्छा.
So my thing shouldn't
Did
be.
you guys think that she told me to come late?
Karthik, be honest.
No. She is getting mad at me. Now everyone will think that I told you come late. अरे नहीं, किसी को नहीं लगता है.
Then I had to tell her on the phone, no, I will say I told Sahil to come.
हाँ.
Anyways,
sorry now. No,
I
you
am
have
not
to say
saying
sorry.
to anyone, and
Sorry बोलने से कोई छोटा नहीं हो
नहीं.
जाएगा.
I
You have to
I
say
can
sorry.
do anything.
But एक
Okay,
minute,
let's
what's
change
the?
the
podcast.
Let's change the conversation. Let's talk about some other better things in
Oh.
life.
Let's talk
and-
about Tarak Mehta since
Yeah,
you
let's talk
brought
about
that
Tarak.
up.
Oh. So if you guys know, I made a series in
Dam, he has
2020.
started his
Yeah,
story. He didn't
he's
ask
ready.
her.
He didn't even ask.
बोल दो.
In 2024 Feb, randomly I got an idea कि एक काम करते हैं, trying to meet जेठालाल की video series बनाते हैं. तो so I had already made one 3 video thing in 23 November during World Cup, where it was like कि 3 दिन के अंदर I have to meet the Indian cricket team. Anyhow, I met them.
Yeah.
Uh,
Too much.
except
khurcha.
Rohit and Virat, I met everyone.
The budget for that video,
Video was
Oh
crazy.
damn, yeah.
Zahil had to like book 3 days in Trident and like stay there.
You gotta do what you gotta do. Like if you want to meet them or if you want to be that your video does well, you have to take that extra effort.
Yeah.
So
Yeah, this we should give to Sahil. Like he goes
He
all
goes
out.
out of his way to do it. And it works because you're going out of your way and you have so many people on your team and you're so
Yeah.
present. You know ki on these dates they're going to be there. It actually happens.
so yeah, I met KL Rahul, Ravindra Jadeja. I met
Surya Kumar.
Surya Kumar Yadav.
Rohit we saw.
Rohit I
I
saw
also went once.
this close, but इतना गर्दी हो गया
Surprise.
and रोहित शर्मा के आसपास मिलिट्री वाले थे, मतलब not even police people, like extreme high security. And विराट पता नहीं कहाँ से घुस के रूम में ही चला गया सीधा, so I couldn't see him. I met him once this close. Like
You were
मैंने उसका
scared.
नाम भी चिल्ला, विराट विराट, वो कान में ईयरफोन पहन के नहीं देखा किंग कोहली ने, but I saw him.
just ignored you.
Yeah.
Possible. But yeah, I met a lot of them. So after that, I was like कि ये मेरे पेज पे चल रहा है. So I thought कि let's try something that's even more bigger than cricket at the point.
In India.
In India, like that is something that all
Iconic.
Indian households, people that they see a lot. So I was like तारक मेहता के ऊपर कुछ बनाते हैं, and Jethalal is like a big name.
Yeah. And you love that.
Yeah, and I'm a big Tarak Mehta fan. मतलब
Same.
dialogues तो ऐसे अपन बोल सकते
He
हैं.
he knows all the characters, even the extra characters that come for
Of
like
course.
1-2 episodes.
Who doesn't? So
Riya does it.
first my problem. No, third. No, I don't know. First pull out. I don't know. So yeah. So I started the Tarak Mehta thing in on Feb 3rd. I
You remember the day?
yeah, of course, bro. Best 7 days of my life.
I
Best
wouldn't take that, bro.
Best 7 days of your life.
work life.
Okay.
So yeah, I started the thing called that I have to meet Jethalal anyhow. So I made the first video where I went on the sets of Tarak Mehta. बहुत मस्त सेट था भाई, मजा आ गया. It felt like अरे बबीता जी का घर, अरे भिड़े का घर, अरे सखाराम इधर है,
चंपक चाचा का घर.
जेठालाल का घर. So I saw everyone's house and like I was in the set and I saw Gada Electronics and all. Though damn fun experience.
It's right there.
Yeah, everything is in one whole compound kind of a scene in Film City. And so they took me in at a time where there was no shoot happening so that I could properly see what's around types. So first episode was that. First episode I posted at 8:30 proper
Tarak
Mehta
Mehta
time.
time.
And when I woke up in the morning, the video was at 6 million views. And my followers from 55k reached to 65k.
What?
So my first instance as a creator was किसी ने fake followers डाल दिए.
Yeah, he was calling me and he was checking Kanchi. Can you please check?
Yeah,
if this is
अरे
fake
यार,
or
because fake followers नहीं चाहिए.
yeah,
So
yeah,
I checked and I was like,
they
I
all
have
look
to,
legit.
हाँ, तो like अरे ये तो असली account है. Let's go. Then I saw the reel का insights and it showed 10,000 follows from this reel. So I was like, let's go. It is working. Then उसके बाद I thought कि every alternate day I'll keep posting a video. So
7 videos.
8 videos I posted. By the time I posted 4 videos, I had already reached 100k.
I remember this.
Yeah. So
That week was crazy.
That week was
Yeah.
crazy for you.
like मैं swipe कर रहा हूँ और follower बढ़
And
रहे हैं,
even
swipe कर रहा हूँ follower बढ़
like
रहे हैं.
Tarak Mehta, people at this point knew that you're doing this.
Yeah.
Like you made a video with Gogi, but I don't think you posted it.
Yeah. So I made a video with Gogi also, which I couldn't post because of some security reasons. So I'll tell you all the whole scene, the whole controversy. I've never said this out anywhere, not even on my reels.
Okay.
Because I just shut it because
Special access.
there were too many people on my head and making false claims that I tried to sneak into the set. They blacklisted me from the set and बहुत scenes happened. So all of this happened by the 5th episode. Through LinkedIn, I got in touch with Neela Telefilms की marketing head. I messaged her on LinkedIn. She gave me a phone number. I DM'd her. I called her and she's like, bro, crazy. चल मैं try करती हूँ तुझे मिलवाने की. And she told me, she promised me, कि done. I'll make you meet Jethalal. So I was like, crazy sort भाई, हो गया सब मिलके. 15th Feb or something था and she तो at that time Jethalal had gone to Abu Dhabi for some Swaminarayan temple का opening. So he was not there for a week. So I had to anyway stretch my videos for 1 week and उसके बाद he came back and she's like 3-4 दिन में कभी भी देखो कॉल करूँगी तू free रहना कि 1 घंटे के अंदर you'll have to come to the set. तो I was like done, crazy, ठीक है. उसके on 15th Feb night I messaged Gogi. I got his number via so I messaged him कि bro I've done this the video I've crossed more than 100 million views अब तक कि let's meet and shoot. He told me set पे आ जा. So ऐसे officially set पे जाना allowed नहीं है. You have
But he
to.
told you to come.
He told me to come, and he was telling me कि भाई कैमरा से बच के रहना, ये रहना, वो रहना. I went on the set at 8:30 in night. I shot with him. बहुत कुछ शूट किया हम लोग ने. And after that I came back home. उसके बाद in the morning I woke up at 10 and I had 3 missed calls from that marketing head. So I was like, oh shit, I think I'll have to leave. And then she's like, Sahil, तूने क्या किया? I didn't do anything. She's like, somebody from your team called Jay Dalal and spoke very rudely. They directly had his number and they spoke very rudely to him, saying
What reactions you're giving? You already know this. Chal say.
saying तूने कॉल करके बहुत खराब बात किया एंड यू सेड के तुम इसके साथ वीडियो बनाओ तो तुम्हारे शो का और तुम्हारा टीआरपी बढ़ेगा. दे सेड ऐसा. तो जेठालाल एंड हिज टीम गॉट वेरी मैड एट मी कि हाउ कैन यू से समथिंग लाइक कि मेरे साथ शूट करने से तुम्हारा टीआरपी बढ़ेगा. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई वुडंट से दैट.
That's not true.
Yeah, but
And who is this who's called?
Some random person.
has
Some
tried
random
to ruin it
person.
for him.
Yeah.
Probably a follower or something.
so maybe they would have tried helping me out, but it didn't work out that way. So this happened. एंड आई बोले अरे बट मैंने नहीं किया है कुछ भी, तो व्हाई आर पुटिंग इट ऑन मी. लेकिन नहीं, तुम्हारे मैनेजर ने कॉल किया, तुम उसको कॉल करो. तो मेरा तो कोई मैनेजर ही नहीं था, कौन बात करेगा. तो देन आई स्पोक टू गोगी कि भाई वीडियो आज अपलोड कर रहा हूँ मैं. ही कॉल्ड मी, अपना वीडियो अपलोड मत करना कि तेरे कॉल की वजह से सबको पता चल गया कि तू सेट पे आया था और अभी मेरे साथ कोई बात नहीं कर रहा है. कि दिलीप सर मेरे से भड़के हुए क्योंकि मैंने तेरे साथ वीडियो बनाया.
Shit.
So because of that whole scene, my image on the set became कि ये बंदा हमें परेशान कर रहा है, कि ये सेट पे घुस जा रहा है, he is trying to stalk and all. So they avoided me for a month, and I had to post something because my views, likes, comments, everything was like up there. मतलब if I post a video about Jay Dalal at that point, it would reach 100k in like 5 minutes. मतलब इतना crazy reach was there at that time.
And people were asking you everywhere.
Bro, रास्ते पे चल रहा हूँ, लोग
Yeah.
पूछ रहे भाई Jay Dalal
Jay Dalal.
मिला कि नहीं, Jay Dalal मिला कि
Oh,
नहीं.
no.
Still people ask me Jay
Still,
Dalal
still.
मिला कि नहीं. तो this all happened and
You know, this happens for most
and
brands.
you know they say
Most-
that never meet your heroes.
Yeah,
Yeah.
this is so true.
So I
Yeah.
also got to know a lot of things के बहुत ego है उसमें. ये I don't know if it's true or no, but if a person can meet SRK, like there was
Yeah.
this guy, he made a video trying to meet SRK. He went inside Mannat and met SRK. Who's Jay Dalal then? मतलब if you
Literally,
compare
yeah.
SRK and Jay Dalal,
True.
And
so I felt a little bad कि भाई लोग मिल तो सकते हैं. And
And I
if
mean
the
a
video
picture.
wouldn't have worked, then I would be like fair enough. भाई views नहीं आ रहे, चल नहीं रहा है, fair enough, मत मिलो. I also gave them an offer कि अगर तुम कुछ प्रमोट करवाना चाहते हो मेरे पास,
You'll promote it.
yeah.
I'll promote it for free in any of the Jay Dalal videos, but you promised me that you'll give me a picture with him.
And you just said you want a picture. You didn't even say you want
Yeah.
him in your video or anything like that.
But nothing, they started avoiding me. 1 month happened, 2 months happened, I had to shut the video. So yeah, I just put a video saying that if it happens. So I just posted a video saying that this is the last video. The next video that will come out will directly be me meeting him, or else the video won't come out. And it's been a year and
There's no
more than
And
a year,
then
and there's
after
no
that,
video.
you even lost followers, na? Because
Yeah, I reached 150k. I'm at 125 now because of the whole scene के. ठीक है, वो तो चलता रहता है.
Yeah,
All
it happens.
125k people. I love you guys. And,
Yes. And now you don't need Jethalal.
no, I don't
You
need him now.
Jethalal.
It's okay. I don't even make content around Tarak Mehta now.
Like he used
Bro,
to.
after that,
You shouldn't.
for
Yeah, now it's
like 5 months, 6 months, I stopped seeing Tarak Mehta also. Like
The
I was
vibes
getting that
went.
scene के नहीं देखना ही नहीं है show. Like I don't like
And-
when I see the whole set and all, feel like कितने toxic लोग हैं. Like I don't want to see only.
And it was actually your favorite thing. Like you couldn't go
Yeah.
a day without it.
Do you watch it now?
Very less.
But now it's not the vibes.
I don't know.
No, nah, I don't watch it now. Like new episodes to no. I don't think
Yeah.
anybody watches. High time makers understand. And yeah, old episodes iconic as always. So yeah.
Fair. You know, this is true where like these teams that have marketing people now, they are very puddu. They don't know anything, and I don't
So
know
it's
why they
like-
always hire very old people that don't understand, social media right
And what's
now.
going on right now?
What's going on
Yeah.
right now? Even when I work with a brand and they ask me to do certain things, I'm like, bro, you need to hire someone who has some idea of content creation, some basic idea of digital marketing, social media marketing, if you don't have that person on your team, then why are you working with an influencer? It's true.
It's true.
Fair
It's true.
Yeah. Sorry, completely off topic, but okay.
Yeah, but no, fair enough.
I want to know about your experience at Mahakumbh because that was crazy. I remember you had to book some flight tickets
Yeah.
and you messaged us being like, bro, flight tickets are this much, should I just book it? I'm not
Yeah.
sure if I want to go or
Literally
not.
like 2-3 days before
Yeah,
you
yeah.
decided to go.
Crazy.
So flight tickets were 20k per person to Mahakumbh.
And you have to take your
Videographer.
videographer.
I had to take my videographers. तो 2 लोगों का खर्चा.
Crazy.
So as I spoke, you always have to put that extra effort for
Content.
for content. Like it's a race to be very relevant all the time.
Yeah.
So Mahakumbh was happening. Yeah, so as I said के MTV Hustle के वजह से मैं 3 months हुआ blogged and I thought that यार शायद लोग मुझे भूल ना जाए and by the time I got to know that कुंभ नहीं महाकुंभ is happening, तो I was like कुछ तो इसके अराउंड बनाना पड़ेगा, तो I thought कि maybe why not I go over there and I make content. तो I was like एक काम करते हैं, एक 5 day का वीडियो सीरीज बना लेते हैं. तो I booked my flight tickets to अयोध्या and अयोध्या से वापस आने का फ्लाइट, बस that is it. उसके बाद I didn't book a hotel, no car, no nothing. So the whole video was
I would never travel.
But-
like that. You pay me how much ever you want, I would never go
But
anywhere
like
like that.
everything was booked out also.
yeah, because everything was also booked out. Like there was nothing available. So I reached Ayodhya morning 7:30ish. I reached. I did Ram Mandir ka darshan, and from there I had to take a lift to Mahakumbh, Prayagraj.
This is all in his reels, by the way.
Yeah.
if you wanna
By
watch.
the way, I've made a 5 video series which didn't work out at all, but had to take the risk because like people
now you
remember
know,
such
yeah.
stuff.
And the experience was good regardless.
Yeah.
Like you didn't you feel after you went, you told, you said that like I think I was meant to be there. Like even
Yeah.
if my videos didn't do well, I was meant to be there.
Yeah,
Like,
yeah.
the energies were crazy.
That's so
The energies were crazy. So I'll tell you, from Ayodhya to Prayagraj is a 3-4 hour drive. मतलब अगर एक कार में बैठ गए तो it's a 3-4 hour drive. But वीडियो के लिए करना था तो I had to ask for lift. तो लिफ्ट ले लेके we reached at 12 in the night. हम 10 बजे निकले थे and we reached at 12 in the night. तो we reached and everything was shut. मतलब in कुंभ, मतलब रात को तो कौन ही क्या ही कर रहा होगा. तो we went to 6 hotels के सर बुकिंग दे दो like कुछ भी अवेलेबल नहीं, कुछ भी. Then this one place seemed a little decent. मतलब I was checking if it's good or nice by the washroom.
Yeah, fair.
So
proud of you.
and I was like कि रात को बाहर तो नहीं ही कर
Yeah.
सकता टाइम पास. I had to charge my phone, my mic, my camera,
And it was
my
cold
lights,
that
and it was
Content creator.
cold. And I just had one bag with me because I'm traveling for like without anything. So I just took one bag and 2 जोड़ी कपड़ा बस. That's it. तो this one hotel dude is like कि ऐसा ही space था. He's like इधर कोने में गद्दी बिछा देता हूँ आपके लिए और नेट लगा देता हूँ ताकि मच्छर ना आए. आप इधर ही रात को
Machhar
सो
na,
जाओ.
matlab you were still indoors, right?
Yeah, like a room, like the lobby.
No, it was not like a room. It was ये है main door of the
Hotel.
And here
hotel.
you slept.
And here I'm
Oh
sleeping
my
over here.
God.
And that door is also that transparent door. I can see everything. जो आ रहा है, कोई जा रहा है. And I was like, भाई सुबह से बाहर हूँ. I've been taking lift. तो I'll have to sleep. नहीं तो next full day मेरा खराब जाएगा. Like fucking भाई जो होता है होने दो. So we just slept with our bags like this here. Phone उधर चार्ज हो सब ऐसे ही छोड़ दिया कि गया तो गया. In the morning everything was safe. But in the morning he gave us the room for like 3 hours कि आपको चाहिए तो 3 घंटे के लिए खाली है. For 3 hours I paid 7K.
What?
Yeah.
So much like.
But why made you pay 7K for 3 hours?
Because the
Because
prices
that
were
time
very high.
the demand was so much, like everything was booked.
Booked and full.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
And I had to have a bath, so मैंने भर दिया 7,000 उस time पे. So paid and
Good to know you
then
had a bath, thanks.
so yeah, then we went off to Kumbh. I did the Ganga Snan. We met these Aghori Babas and all. Full day हम लोग ने बहुत time pass किया and all. And we just had one day in Kumbh. At night we again had to leave for Kashi because that was the whole video. Ayodhya to Kumbh.
Prayagraj.
Kumbh to Kashi, Kashi to Ayodhya, Ayodhya to Mumbai. And I had only 3 days for this. हर जगह पे एक दिन. So कैसे भी करके I had to finish everything in one day at Kumbh. So but it was so crowded and the water was so cold but
Still went.
dip to lena hi tha
Yeah.
because
You
if
have
I've
to
come
if
so
you're there.
far then
Then you have to. Yeah.
So yeah, I did everything. Took a dip and all. After that, I went to Kashi Vishwanath. For Kashi, I left at 12 in the night. I reached at 6 in the morning and सीधा पहुंच के हम चले गए to the temple for darshan. Naseeb से that was the one place where a friend of mine gave me some letter from government or something.
So
जहाँ
that you
पे
could go get
I
access.
can directly get entry in like 10 minutes.
Oh wow.
So that was the only time I had like full day to myself. So we took the darshan in like 10 minutes. Best place, bro. Kashi Vishwanath, the energies inside that place is just next level. You all should visit Kashi Vishwanath once for sure. Then there was this Banaras Ghats. We had food over there. And oh, by the way, there's this place in Banaras Ghat where India's or Asia's oldest pizza place is there.
Oh, sick.
Yeah, from 1960s
Something.
or 1970s,
How is it?
India's oldest. Was mid. I didn't like it, but it's supposed to be the best pizza.
What is it called?
Maybe-
You know the name?
I don't
They
know
are
what's
just
the
saying.
name.
Please check, please check.
Maybe they are just saying it's India's oldest.
No, it
It
is
is
India's
actually.
oldest, and it was full. 3 घंटे का waiting था उधर.
Because that's probably the only like.
No,
Pizza
Kashi is
is
like proper.
Indian
Yeah,
everything.
it's you get everything over there, but
You know, I was going to say this is Sahil's personality. Wherever he goes, he will find his way through it. Like he
Yeah.
always has a
Yeah.
contact somewhere to get him somewhere, to give him a letter, to help him out. Like his social
Like-
networking
Yeah.
is.
You're so good at networking. Like you can
You have
figure
to.
out anything. Like if I tell you, like, do you know this person? Somehow
He
you
knows.
find out and
Yeah.
you figure out.
basically
Like-
Tarif.
Like you have to, but we don't do it. We are very bad.
Yeah, I mean you
I
have to
am
like if
very
you're in
bad
this.
at it. Like if I'm at an event, then I need Sahil or Riya with me to like start the conversation with someone.
No, I think
No, you are fine now.
in this industry you have to make connections with people
It's
because there's
too
so
loud.
many people, but the industry is still small. Like
yeah.
Yeah.
So
there are only a few people who are
yes.
like at the
Everywhere.
top of it, and they're everywhere. So
Everywhere,
you
yeah.
need to know those people. You need to know some few
Yeah.
people who can help you. And I'm not scared of asking for help.
No,
I
Sahil
will
is
just call.
so street smart that once we were like we had gone on a trip to Kamsher and
Oh
like,
my God, yeah.
it was a drive back and we just left from there and the car got punctured like right like
tire,
over
yeah.
there only. Like we hadn't even reached the highway or something. We were in the town and village or something like that. And Sahil has a bike is passing by. Sahil has stopped the bike guy and told him कि help कर दो ना and find out where's the puncture guy. And the bike guy turned out to be
The puncture wala only. No, so he was on the puncture wala, but his neighbor was the puncture wala only. So he called him. He came on his bike. He changed and.
like he's not scared to like go up to anyone.
Yeah,
Yeah, I mean,
bro,
bro,
he's very
if I need help, I will ask for it. I'm not scared to ask.
And
for
then
it.
even if we want help, we tell
Yeah.
Sahil, ki, can you ask? Because we don't want to ask. And
Chale.
even when we want help, we tell Sahil, ki, go and ask for help because we don't want to ask and we know Sahil can very easily ask. When we go for events, Kanchi, Sahil and I all together, we'll be sitting in the car and as soon as we enter, like Sahil's talking to us, everything's normal, whatever. As soon as we enter, Sahil is gone.
Sahil
We can't
has
find
left
him.
us.
And Kanchi and I are stuck to each other like glue, like we don't want to be alone, we don't want to be left anywhere. Sahil's gone, he's met all the creators in the room, some business owners, some founders, everyone, some manager, everyone.
And
is
somehow
come back.
everyone is like, oh Sahil, yeah.
Yeah.
What's up? They know, like they know what's going on.
Yeah.
Yeah, because I think because I also worked as a manager
Yes.
Yes.
for
So we-
2 years. So there's this agency called No Filter where I was working for 2.5 years. So we joined as an
Yeah.
intern, both
Yeah.
of us together. Kanchi became a creator. She got signed, and I was like, I still want to work. So I worked as an intern. Then I got promoted to a junior talent manager. Then I got my own talents for that. I
So
was
Sahil was
managing
both
for.
sides.
Yeah, so I know both sides and I have that advantage कि I know कौन क्या कर रहा है. So because I was a manager, all the brands, connects and agencies, I used to talk to them. So when I became a creator, I directly sent them a text saying that
Yeah.
bro, I'm not a manager anymore. You can check out my
Profile.
page. If you like it, let's work together and I can give you the best cost if you
And
want.
Sahil is so good at it, like negotiating and dealing with brands. I'll tell you this. Before I ever got signed with any agency, when I had just started out, Sahil was not making content that time. I had started before him. Sahil was my manager.
Oh.
And like no one knew it's Sahil, but he had another name and he used to talk to the brand.
Even I didn't know
Get
this.
me collabs.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I did not know
Yes.
this. Wait, when was this? When we did
For
the Geo
two,
Salmon
for
collab and all?
2-3 months, yeah.
For 2-3 months until I got signed.
What the hell? That's crazy, bro.
Till date, if we need help, we ask Sahil.
Yeah,
okay,
we always ask Sahil.
Is this proper? Like,
Should we do
yeah,
this?
Yeah.
And Sahil very often, like now he has a manager. He is signed, he is managed. But still, he does all the heavy lifting. Like he does all the work. His manager is always chilling because he is talking to the brand, he's coordinating, he's sending the video. I'm like, bro, what does your manager do if you're doing everything? What's the point? But
Like,
it's
I think I like doing all this. Like I like talking to brands. Like I feel like if a brand is paying me money to promote their stuff, I can put that extra effort from my end
and do your best. Be available.
to be available, to just be like, bolo kya scene, like let's
Yeah.
talk, like to be added in the group. Like that all are like extra efforts that you should make as a creator, so that brand doesn't feel like अरे क्या manager से ही बात करवा रहा है यार. So that extra effort also they keep in mind.
Learning a lot.
Take
from
notes.
Sahil.
Yeah.
Cool. Now that we've spoken about this, let's make it a little light
Yeah,
and
let's
play a rapid fire.
Yeah.
And you have
Let's
to
go. Hamper मिलेगा कि नहीं?
कुछ hamper नहीं मिलेगा. We are buying you food. The full lunch is coming. See that.
and you have to answer quickly, no thinking and all of that.
Okay.
So let's go.
Okay, let's go.
The first one is Kanchi's first impression of you in one word.
Annoying.
The hell? What?
Wait,
First
your impression?
No.
Oh, okay.
Your
Oh.
first impression of Kanchi.
Yeah, he's saying mine for
Oh,
him.
okay, cute.
Cute. Okay. Ever scripted a prank?
No.
Best opportunity you have gotten till now because of content.
Mumbai Indians.
Dream collab?
I don't have a dream collab.
What? Really?
Yeah, maybe at that point Jay Dalal would be a dream collab, not anymore.
Okay.
Nice. Would you break up with your crush if she supported CSK or RCB?
No.
No. Okay. Cool. One thing Kanchi does that would go viral if you filmed it, but she won't let you.
Oh. Me pranking Kanchi more often, something bigger, but she gets annoyed very easily, so I have to plan it out and give her a heads up कि आज कुछ करूँगा.
Yes.
So yeah.
She will plan.
But still I will cry even when the thing happens.
Bro, one story. Sorry, थोड़ा लंबा होगा चलेगा. One story. So 1st April, April Fool's Day, Kanchi's mom told कि be aware of. हाँ, कि he might prank you आज and all. And I was like नहीं यार आज नहीं कर रहा हूँ. Next day, you know that trend was there.
Oh
हाँ.
The dance where you pull the person
Yeah.
in.
So I was like हम लोग तो Kanchi wanted to make that trend. So I was like चल ठीक है let's make. So I got that spray, वो white color का spray you put ना on.
What is
some
that?
kind
What
of-
is that?
Foam.
Foam.
The reel
Yeah.
is there on my page. You can watch.
Yeah. So we were doing that trend and मैंने pocket से निकाला खाली कांची के मुंह पे डाल दिया. Kanchi knew. I had told her that I'm going to do something, so
But
be
I
aware.
thought water
She
was
still
something.
started crying, and she got mad at me, and she put it back on me. कि I'll take revenge.
I didn't take.
You did.
What was
You
it?
did spray it back on me.
Off camera. Yeah. Cool.
Go ahead.
What's Ria's toxic trait as a friend?
Coming late everywhere.
Yeah.
I
You are
hate
that
it.
yourself.
You also come.
But I come before Ria.
Yeah, he does reach before me. And usually Kanchi and Sal are both
Yeah.
waiting for me.
Yeah.
But also I'm coming from far. Okay, it's fine, I am late.
Yeah,
Doesn't
yeah.
matter. If you had to switch lives with any creator for a day, who would it be?
Question. Who's killing it right now? Samay Raina.
Damn, yeah. Good
Okay.
choice. Yeah. Very good choice.
Okay, now this you have to say very fast.
Okay.
Name your top 3 creators.
I don't have top 3 creators because I consume a lot of content, but I like this guy. He's coming on my feed a lot. I don't know his full name, Mitesh Shetty or Mithilesh Shetty. He makes this reels called as a knowledgeable person of railway. I don't know if तुम्हारे feed पाया हुआ है या नहीं, but he's damn funny. I'm liking him currently. उसके अलावा no other
Kanchi Ria.
favorites, but yeah, Kanchi Ria.
What?
No, say your actual favorites.
Yes.
I don't have any favorites. I just
Yeah, like
consume a lot of
Sahil is a
content, so I
person
don't know.
Who doesn't have like a favorite?
I have favorite memes if you
in
maybe ask
everything.
me.
Okay, what are your top 3 favorite memes?
Right now, currently, Fielding said है funny meme. Second is there's a random meme. There's this guy. He keeps crying और उसके ऊपर text लिखा आता है आज अचानक मुझे इसकी याद आ गई. If you all know about the meme,
I
like
don't know.
there's some weird thing कि आज अचानक मुझे बुरी बुरी जाइमोन की याद आ गई. If you all know who बुरी बुरी जाइमोन is, शिनचैन का OG कैरेक्टर है जो मर गया था.
I was
तो
never
it's like
allowed
मुझे
to
आज
watch
रैंडम इसकी याद आ गया और वो ऐसा रस्ते पे लेट के उसके आंख में से आंसू आ रहा है और मुझे साउंड बजता है. Funny meme, random funny. And there's these dog memes called as Tiku Badmosh, Tiku Sahu. There are more 3 names. These are funny memes, यार मतलब relatable है काफी.
Oh, cute, nice.
By the way, guys, this episode is shot a lot in advance, so if it's not relatable anymore, then
Yeah, it's
It will be.
We have a game we want to play with you because we
Mhm.
want a boy's perspective.
Yeah.
Okay.
I am not a guy. Guy तो कांची है ना माचा पीती है.
stop it. Tears are gonna roll down anyway.
Why? You have to say I am a cow. I like matcha.
Yeah, but like not like that. Cool.
हाँ.
So we are playing everyone's favorite game at
Okay.
the moment. You wanna guess?
No, not at the moment. This will go live after many days.
Oh yeah. Okay. Everyone's favorite game last month.
Yeah. Princess treatment or bare minimum. Do you know what that means? You better know what
Yes,
that
I
means.
know what that means and it means कि लड़कों के लिए प्रिंस ट्रीटमेंट करके कुछ नहीं है. तो
Stop.
मुझे बुरा लग रहा है मर्द समाज के लिए.
If you answer bare minimum to all of these, you can't change your answer.
You can get up
Then
and
you will
leave.
get prince treatment. Okay. Deal.
Cool.
Cool.
निकल जाऊंगा. Okay.
Start.
Now you know why we don't give prince treatment to men. Okay, I'm
You
starting.
don't give me Shubman Gill treatment. It's the prince no.
Hey, yaar, the lame jokes are too bad.
Okay, chalo, let's go.
Okay, starting. Texting good morning and good night every day.
Bare minimum.
Bare minimum.
Yeah.
Bare minimum.
Yeah.
Remembering little things you said weeks ago and bringing them up.
Bare minimum. Bare minimum. Yeah, ठीक है.
I would say
मतलब-
princess treatment.
फन है वैसा
नहीं,
आर्ग्यूमेंट
अच्छा
करने में ऐसा. वो क्या बोला था उस दिन पे?
Can't you also have to answer?
I also have to answer.
Yeah,
Huh?
all of us are answering.
Yeah, maybe like somewhere in the middle, I feel.
Okay,
Yeah.
next.
Okay. Walking on the side of the road closest to traffic.
Bare minimum.
You have to say what you actually think.
Yeah, bare minimum, yeah.
Even I think
Bare minimum.
Bare
Yeah,
minimum,
yeah.
हाँ.
Flying to
But ठीक है, I have something on this. मैं क्यों अपनी जान खतरे में डालूं?
Because you are in love.
मैं क्यों डालूं अपनी जान खतरे में? तो is my partner not in love?
But you are stronger.
It should be
alternate.
alternate, yeah. एक दिन तू अपनी जान खतरे में डाल, एक दिन मैं डालूंगा.
Bro, every time if you're on the road,
So it should be bare treatment.
stop it. Every time on the road crossing with Sahil or something, and suppose a car just passed and like Sahil just pulled you inside the road, you'll be like, give 50 lakhs, I saved your life. Is my
Yes.
life worth only 50 lakhs?
Maybe less.
Stop it.
चल next.
Flying to a different city just to surprise you for dinner.
Princess treatment.
That is
Yeah,
princess.
princess
मैं क्यों खर्चा
treatment.
करूँ भाई? This is extra खर्चा.
That
why
is
should I?
princess treatment.
Yeah.
Remembering your coffee order and getting it right without asking.
Bare minimum after a long-term
Yes.
relationship.
In
Yeah.
after
Princess
like a few
treatment
years
in like for
early on.
1-2 weeks of
Wow,
Agreed.
relationship.
nice.
Good
Sahil,
answer.
Nice. Writing you a handwritten letter every month.
Princess treatment.
You are handwritten letter.
नहीं
This
भाई.
is princess treatment, I
Princess
feel.
treatment for sure.
I don't think even a girl would.
खत
every
नहीं
month-
लिख रहा मुझे.
Even I don't want to write every month.
Yeah.
And I don't expect also.
Yeah.
Good. To know that.
Is it my turn?
Yeah.
Dropping you home after every date, even if it's out of the way.
रास्ते में आता है तो bare minimum. Out of the way princess treatment. पेट्रोल महंगा है.
Bare minimum.
This is another thing I want to talk about.
Brother. ये. For the
She's
longest
arresting
time
on
she used to stay
the
5 minutes away from me. So
Yeah.
I can drop you and I can go back.
No, I'm not talking about now that I've moved away. I'm saying that Sahil, like, I know him since college and all, and it's always been near to my house, so he always drops me car, scooter, whatever. So now he's telling me like these many years ka petrol ka money pay me.
इसमें गलत क्या बोला? Do you want to know how much money is that? I legit calculated.
How much?
Why did you
More
calculate?
than 72k.
What rubbish, but you're going home, it's literally 2
Yeah,
minutes,
you
one
don't
bridge
even
for
have
movie.
to like change your way.
Okay, तो 72k divide by
Then you pay
Two.
her for every time you've driven her car.
Yeah.
Cuff
What?
hole.
हाँ तो तू उसमें से कट कर देना. Hardly what she would have taken her car what 3 times 4 times.
Actually, only 3-4
No,
days.
he's lying.
He also knows that it's 3-4 times.
Stop it, no.
But guys,
It's not as much
asking
as
for
Sahil
petrol money is bare minimum.
This,
महंगा है
are
भाई.
you mad?
कितना 113? What's the price? 113 bro. सब पेट्रोल भराने में
Bye. Learning to cook your favorite dish exactly like your mom does it.
समझा ही नहीं. माँ इसमें कहाँ से आ गई?
No, like if like your partner will learn to cook your favorite dish like your mom's way, like in
Oh,
your mom's
princess
recipe.
treatment.
That's
treatment,
princess
yeah,
treatment. Agree. Posting you on the Instagram story.
Creators है तो bare minimum.
Yeah.
Yeah.
If they're not
Not
creators,
creators,
then
then yeah.
princess
Princess
treatment.
treatment.
Yeah.
Like it's their choice if they
Yeah.
wanna.
Or if they post other stuff and they only don't post you, then that's bad.
Hmm.
Yeah, like they post other people.
Then that is large
Then it's
agenda.
problematic.
Large-
But if they don't post anything, it's good.
लाल झंडा रेड फ्लैग. इतना फनी भी नहीं था ये.
Okay. Sending flowers to your office every Monday to start your week right.
Princess.
Princess treatment.
into 100 treatment.
Not every week.
I feel
Bro,
like
flowers are very expensive.
he is only talking about money. This is about your feelings.
But wait, I can express that in different ways also. Why should I
Like
spend
what?
ऐसा
What is
500
another
600
way?
रुपए
What
700
is
रुपए का
another way?
फ्लावर जो तू एक बार में भूल जाने वाली है.
Bro, I will not.
Why are you forgetting? Why will he give you flowers?
1 minute, we spoke about this. I will not. Like, if you give me flowers, I'll remember like for the
अरे
rest
तो
of my life.
अरे तो सब क्यों भाई मैं क्यों पैसा बर्बाद करूँ उसके ऊपर? No, I don't think
I feel like,
flowers
you know,
are
these-
necessary. I think flowers are overrated.
So, what way will you express?
Yeah, how would you express?
By picking them and dropping them back to their house.
From work. So if
No,
Kanch has to
no,
come on shoot,
नहीं,
if
नहीं.
Kanch has to come on set, you will pick her up from her house,
नहीं
drop her
यार
on set, come
मतलब
and pick
ऐसा
her
ऐसा
up.
spot पे मत डालो. But
No, okay.
flowers are overrated. I feel.
No.
I might get hate for this, but usually boys have to pay for flowers and it's expensive.
What if I give you flowers?
I don't want. मैं क्या करूँ? What should I do? You all tell me. What is the use
Like,
of
you
these
can
flowers?
keep them
It's
in
not
your
cute,
room
it's
and
feel
look so
good.
cute
I
and
don't want to
nice.
keep it in my room.
It's so pretty.
No, I
And
don't.
it blooms and it smells nice and your whole room will smell good.
Perfume लगा दूँ.
Pop of color.
Bye bye. This
You know,
is-
I feel these some questions are like applicable to people in newer relationships. Like maybe someone would give someone flowers.
Like once
lot
in a
more
while
when
it's
they start
okay.
dating.
Like if suppose किसी का 1 year anniversary है या किसी का
हाँ.
तब दिया ठीक है.
Agree.
So every Monday
नहीं,
नहीं.
yeah.
You know, when I was doing long distance, my boyfriend would send me flowers every time we fought. Okay.
Oh,
Because that was his only way
Red
of
Smart
roses.
Shankar.
Red roses, yeah. Every time we fought, and then by the end of the year-ish, my mom knew, and when I would wake up in the morning, she'd be like, "You all fought last night," because the flowers would be in my house. It was too funny.
Cute. Next one you have to say.
Sending you random gifts just because.
Princess
Princess
treatment.
Princess treatment. Yeah. Defending you in a public fight even when you're the one being dramatic.
Bare minimum. Come on, Sahil.
Bare-
Bare minimum,
Bare
yeah.
minimum.
Very minimum.
Yeah. You can tell her
Why
later
does he have
whatever
to
you
think
want
so much?
No, because I usually fight a lot with random people ऐसा to prove my point. So if like you also know, like when we
Yeah.
also argue about something, if I feel my point is right, I'll argue. So
Yeah,
that's why I was
he'll
thinking
argue a
about
lot.
it. I like arguing.
Planning a surprise birthday with all your friends.
Ah, bare minimum.
Bare minimum.
Bare minimum.
Okay, the last one. I have the last one. Remembering your period cycle and showing up with snacks and a hot water bag.
Oh, I think long-term relationship bare minimum starting में princess
Princess.
treatment.
Agree.
Wow, yeah, silent actually quite.
Good answers.
I am Chepauk Stadium, Green Forest.
Arey
If you
yaar.
know the joke, you know the joke. Come on, cricket fans.
A lot has happened. Sorry.
Yes, sir.
दो.
Yes sir. कसं काय काय चाललंय? तुला मराठी येते?
No.
I understand.
Good. कट
Okay.
कर देना.
Cool. So, I think we've spoken a lot.
Yes.
Anji.
Thank you,
Yes.
friend of the pod, for coming on the pod. Did you have fun?
Yes sir, had fun. Thank you for calling me.
Will
Will
you
you
come
please watch this episode?
I will watch this episode.
And don't forward the parts
Yes.
where we are talking.
Yeah.
Oh.
Sahil
I
is a
might.
self-obsessed boy.
I am.
मैं हूँ.
He will see his reels 100 times.
Even
and
I
he
do
will
that,
make you
but-
see it 100 times.
Even you do that.
But he is way more than us, you know that.
Yeah. He is always on his phone and watching his own content.
Yeah, that's true.
And he smile at his phone when he's looking at himself.
That's me.
Before we end this episode,
Hanji.
we need you to give us a Richie recommends, where you recommend anything you want to
1
recommend.
minute. Arey, you said it. I was going to ask him, do you know what Richie recommends? Because he doesn't even
Oh,
watch
sorry.
the podcast.
I know.
You know what Richie recommends,
Kanchi.
is, bro.
Y'all only told me we are keeping this thing show segment where it's called as Richie recommends. हमने वहाँ पे जाके ये सब करना है. You have told me. You have
Arey,
told me about
because when we were planning the pod and coming up with this idea and doing brainstorming for names, 3 of us had gone for a drive when this
Yeah.
happened.
Oh, yeah.
So Sahil actually helped us think of pod
Sahil
names.
is a part of the OG discussion when we thought of one name and we didn't have it.
What
Yeah.
name idea did I give?
Ugh.
अरे, छी.
We might use it for something else later.
Yeah, so
So
don't
we
say
don't want
that.
to
But yeah,
Alright.
give your Richie recommends.
Yes, give us a Richie.
You have many.
Have you all watched this show called Entourage?
Yes, I love Entourage.
Please watch that show, and if you want to get into the creator industry also,
It's too good.
or in general, just you want to know about the Hollywood actor life,
Yeah.
manager's life, it's a very nice show.
It's very cool.
And bro, there's so many cool cameos in that show also.
Yeah.
Please watch that show. It's insane.
Also, if
Entourage.
you're a dude, you will love it. Like, Entourage is like the dude version of like Gossip Girl or
Yeah.
Gilmore Girls or something. Like, even
I
as a girl, I
disagree,
love
but
it.
You
it's a good
disagree.
show.
No, it's very cool, the show.
It's
It's
damn
Silas
nice.
tried to make me watch it many times.
yeah, and you
Still
don't listen,
can't
you
watch
don't watch it. This is in our cringe or binge episode
Yeah.
which you haven't
Well,
seen, where
yeah.
I asked her, did you watch Entourage? Sahil told you to watch
Nah.
it.
And I said no.
And she said no.
Please watch Entourage, please.
Okay.
What is my recommendation?
I don't
for
have.
today?
I forgot that I had to.
Okay, I have a YouTuber that I want to recommend.
Yes.
Ryan Trahan. He is
Okay.
doing a very cool series at the moment where he's doing like a fundraiser and he's visiting 50 states in the US in 50 days. He's vlogging every single
you
day with
told
his
us.
wife.
Yeah.
Airbnb, yeah.
Oh my god, you have to watch it. It is so cool, and to watch like the donations that happen at the end of every episode, it is so fun. Like, and
Nice.
the fact that he's uploading every day 30-minute videos,
Yeah.
and they have like a wheel of doom where like they have challenges. If someone donates like $100,000 or more, they get to choose like what goes off in the wheel of doom. So like it can be like they're on a road trip and they are not allowed to talk to each other.
Oh.
Silent treatment for the whole road trip. So like crazy challenges, it's very interesting, very fun. And there's still 20 days of this challenge left for him, so you all should watch.
Damn.
We'll watch it.
What's yours?
I don't have one
Well,
today.
you still have to say one.
Arey yaar.
No, you have to. You didn't study or what before the podcast?
Yeah, but give some recommendation.
Yeah. I'm
No,
trying
no,
to
wait,
think.
why are you thinking? But you didn't study or what? It's your podcast. You got mad at me.
Sal, please don't talk to my host like that. My co-host is getting
Host,
troubled by you.
host. I didn't hear the T.
What?
What?
Leave it. Sharan,
What does that mean?
leave it. It's okay.
What?
Please don't talk to my host like that. Like that. I didn't hear the T.
Oh.
Come on यार इतना deep मत बनाओ इसको. Bye bye. Signing off.
The episode is ending. I have no Richie recommends, and I don't think if Sahil will be there for another episode, so you might just want to tell him bye in the comment section. That's it.
Okay. Bye bye guys.
Thank you for coming.
Bye bye. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Let's go.
Follow us on Instagram, subscribe to us on YouTube, follow Sahil on Instagram, follow Kanchi and Sahil's YouTube channel, follow
Listen-
everyone.
Listen to us on Spotify. I think everything has been
That's it.
covered.
Don't follow anyone else.
Yeah, we will see you next week at this time. Also, we are not.
Shabakher,
One minute, I want to say
Shubhratri.
this, we are not doing this thing. If you like it, tell us. We'll bring it back.
Yeah, please comment down below because I didn't like it. Everyone else likes it, so comment down below and tell us if you like
Shabakher, Shubhratri, and don't trouble your mother, man.
Bye.
it. Bye.